guys, good morning. This is Yorme23. Welcome to my vlog. Shout out to all my big boss, Boss Sanjay, Boss Shapik, and Boss Tangkachan. Stay healthy always and take care. Best regards to all DDF Dubai Duty Free airport staff, Marhaba Dinata, Emirates Airline, and also Innovate and Transguard. Take care always. Stay strong. Enjoy your life. Hello to all OFW, seaman and sea woman. Stay healthy. Enjoy your life. Shout out Panyero IT department and also Paring Janel. Stay pretty boy. Shoutout ka sa mga tropa mo.
Shoutout sa lahat ng tropa ng A3 Arrivals. Always subscribe, Yorme TV. Nakamuhay.
Shoutout mga tropa mo sa Pinas ko eh.
Mga tropa ko sa Pilipinas dyan ha. Good luck sa inyo dyan. Stay safe. Thank you.
Morning, how are you? Shoutout Rega Boys.
How are you?
Number one.
23.
Sanpit. Story, shout out.
Personal foul na may bonus na pa. What's the limit at 20? Nako, 150 kilik eh. Lahat ng nilaro ng pero pera. Oh, ayan. 2 points pag na-shoot. Oh, apat na lang. Apat na lang yan. 54 seconds pa, matagal pa. Yun lang, walang pressure. Inuubos yung oras. 14 seconds to shoot, walang pressure. 40 seconds, 10. Oh. Kaya pwede pa. Pwede pa yan. 30 seconds. Pwede pa. Oh, dalawa lang yan. 28 seconds. Oh. Ay, foul. 30 foul pa lang.
Score 33-31 in favor of Team UST. Last 23 seconds.
Ready? Seconds. 10 to shoot. 5. Nako, wala pumapound. 5 seconds, wala pumapound. Okay, napanood ko na talaga. Ay, 3 points. Okay, kapag natapos na.
Game ball. Guys, thank you for watching.
36-31.
Don't forget, subscribe, Yorme23.
UST.
Thank you very much.
ikaw ang nag-best player.
Congratulations, Team UST. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Maasalam. We love you all.